Okay, folks, welcome to where we Wednesday, the 21st of September 2022. We're going to take a short one today because FOMC is on the way tonight. We will be live YouTube 1650. So that's, or sorry, 1850. So 6:50 p.m. We'll be live. Statement release at 7 p.m. Presser at 7:30 as per usual. We'll go through to 8 o'clock on this one tonight. And what do we see on these charts so far today? Well, we're seeing NASDAQ and its brethren here on the way up. Just a small bounce from coming into some pretty decent areas for trading off of on the long side yesterday. We'll get into SPOOs to have a look at this. I will just drop that VIX chart down. And so it's just, really some nice levels here at the 38.66 that we were looking to trade on yesterday. And really hard work and not an optimal place really at the end of the day to trade, but nonetheless taking that trade back up to VWAP here, and then we were done for the day. But really, where do we sit in the bigger picture? Let's go out on the daily here, and you'll see now on the S&P 500 on the weekly bars, or sorry, daily bars here. We'll actually change this to weekly just to show you what's going on. Here's the weekly bars, and we're just going to make that automatic scaling for now. And so really that low yesterday coming into concert with this trend that we have from the COVID low to the lows in June, and then putting us right there to the tick yesterday on the trend. This high that we're looking at here is pretty much the high of the week. And now, on the upside, the 39.33s is the high of the week of the 16th of February 21, right? So as we trade, I expect that we will move back up through this compression area coming into the FOMC tonight. Look, what do I think is priced in? I think 75 basis points is priced in. I think 1% hike is not priced in. I think it might be 20% priced in. So we have to tread lightly here. I was just saying in the room, at the moment, swing trades are not really what you want to be looking for, because you find you're getting a lovely reaction to the upside, and then it just fails by near the end of the day, or you come in the next day and we're on new lows. So best to kind of operate in the daytime frame here, right? So that is the SPOOs. I think if we come in 75 basis point hikes, this market is going to eat that up, and we're going to push back to the upside above the 39.33s. Okay, so it's just all, as always with trading, it's a matter of timing, right? Good timing. Market up, market down, that's easy. When, so I can get the best risk on, is always the best and biggest question to ask. So here we are in equities, buoyant to the tune of 0.5% on SPOOs. On oil here, we're looking at holding currently on the 2009 low, 85.28. Really a soft sort of hold at the moment on the gains that we had to the start of the day yesterday. But a bit of a morning trend already developing here. Should we push down again and test? I suspect we will break, actually. And what could break that is a really strong dollar. And what would a really strong dollar be the result of in these markets? It would be a result of a whole percentage point hike instead of just your mere 75 basis point hike, right? So in this daily bar channel that we have coming up here on the dollar, right? You see this channel up. We've got quite a lot on here, but probably delete this. You can see we're really kind of topping out on the highs on this channel. It is going to be time to come back down soon enough. I don't think we're going to sustain a push above this channel. And if we do, I don't think the Fed is going to like that. But invariably, we are highs on the year, 110.80s. Current highs on the dollar right now, and the trend channel not too far above. But as I said, if we get a basis or a full percentage point hike, I think more upside in the dollar. If it comes in 75s, I think you may see a quick little flush to the upside and then sold down on the Dixie. That's going to be a great boon for the euro traders. So for now, not much to trade. But again, looking at the bonds, like the Bund, for example, little morning trend here, something to make you aware of. We have dropped out of this big range. I'll show you this big range. Actually, I'll do that now before we get into the nitty gritty on the 1 hour. But here's the range, right? Put in, essentially we'll go down to like weeklies instead of monthly bars here. we have a nice little range put in prior, sort of the lows of December 2016, around to the highs of September 2016. That's a range, right? We've broken out of that. I think we can run further. So, going to come back to the point here on the 1 hour. I think a retest against that 142.10s may get sold down. And in fact, if we test this morning trend here, I think we can break. Okay, so just to make you aware of a few things in the market there. All right, that is it for me for this pre-US session. I'll see you tonight for FOMC. All right, stay well.